Right now, the rotation is unimpressive, but it is a very rural area. So we'll zoom down. Let's see, what do we have there? We've got another. I'm going to step off. We're going to see exactly what's going on. Going to zoom out. We're going to go on down to our warnings for us here. We've got
and down to Biscoe, Montgomery County.
All right, we've got another warning in Randolph County. Tom, I'm going to take this real quick. I'm going to see the timing of this. We're going to go ahead and check this out. We have a tornado warning in effect for Randolph County down into Montgomery County until 2:45 p.m. today. So, to be clear, to start you back, we have a tornado warning in Surry County until 2:30 and a tornado warning in Randolph County and Montgomery County until 2:45 p.m. today. Tom, I'm going to let you drive for me. Go ahead and we'll check the rotation down in Randolph County right now. It may be more impressive at this point than it was up in Surry County. Tom's going to check that out for us, but you can see exactly where that warning is right now near Interstate 73, and here's why. We've got a lot going on radar as far as that heavy rain is concerned. So as that moves through with some of the lightning and the heavy rainfall there, we've got flooding concerns, we've got concerns with hail, and most of all, we've got concerns with this tornado warning. Tom, I'm going to step off. And I'm going to go ahead and do the, oh, you've got it. Perfect. Oh, I see a lot of what could be some rotation in that area.
Yeah.
Let's check that out. We'll go ahead and zoom on down here. This looks much more impressive than what we saw over in Surry County. So take a look at this. This is going to be a big deal. Yes, check it out. We've got rotation at 78 miles an hour, wind at 25. That's impressive. That's very, very impressive as far as that rotation is concerned. So that's something we're going to be watching carefully. In fact, I want to go ahead and check a couple of other spots for you here. Take a look with me. You can see we've got rotation at 81 miles an hour, winds at 34 miles per hour. These straight line winds, like I said, you can't be too careful, going to cause a lot of damage. So I'm going to give you some street level names here. If you are in this area, you want to go ahead and take cover. Just be safe, because with the way the rotation is looking, it's not that we see anything resembling a tornado quite yet, but I want you to be prepared, okay? So Floyd Farm Road near Highway 134, Atkins Dairy Road, Russell Road, Cardinal Avenue. If you are in this area, that's where I'm seeing the most impressive rotation right now, indicating that a tornado is highly possible and that you are under a tornado warning. You have to remember until 2:45. Going to take another look here. Want to show you some more rotation so we can get an idea of the spin out there. 81 miles an hour as far as the rotation, 34 mile per hour winds, 35 mile per hour winds, 25 mile an hour winds. But Tom, I think you'll agree with me, this rotation is very impressive.
It definitely is, and I've been looking in the broader area. We have had some more tornado warnings popping up well to our south, but this is part of the same system that's going to be coming up. So this is just the beginning. And we're going to be seeing quite a bit more of this and hearing more of these alarms as we go through the rest of the afternoon. But yeah, I saw your showing that rotation speed. There you show 81 miles per hour. So we're starting to see some impressive speeds there, where they're along the North Carolina-Virginia line, they were much lower than that. So,
but Tom, I want to mention one thing, just because I think it's important. You see, it's just this one line right here so far at 81 miles an hour. Once you go just a little further south, the rotation drops immensely. So you need to be careful. In fact, you know what? Just for safety reasons, I want to go ahead and do another street level look, Tom. I think you'd agree that's a good idea.
Yeah.
We're going to go ahead and get you guys updated. If you are on Russell Road, New Hill Drive, Rockwell Farm Drive, Usher Britt Drive, Allred Post Office Road, Latham Road, Manus Road. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Or I'm going to zoom out a little bit, actually. We'll get you some more roads. I'm going to name out all of these roadways. If I name your road, we are seeing very impressive rotation, meaning it is likely that we could see a big issue. You are under a tornado warning right now. Tom, nothing obviously confirmed out there to be a tornado at this point, but it's just with the rotation being so high and the wind speeds being so high, it is cause for concern out there, absolutely. So.
And that's been the case throughout the entire, even this morning, the ones along the North Carolina-Virginia line, the one Alamance County, Caswell County, none of these were actually spotted. It was all just Doppler radar indicating that there were tornadoes.
That there were tornadoes. Nothing was spotted. So that's something that you've got to keep in mind. Safety first. It does not matter, right, Tom? If it's not spotted, you still need to take cover, be safe, treat it as an emergency, because more than likely, as things start to pick up, it will be. So we need to keep that in mind. Now take a look. Manus Road, if you're on Manus Road, Ether Road, go ahead and just really start taking precautions. One thing I want to do, we are going to go ahead and go back to our radar. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit, and we're going to take a look here at some of these storm speeds. Tom, what do we have there?
Right, hang on.
It looks like it might be a severe thunderstorm watch, or a warning, but we'll check that.
Yeah, that is a severe thunderstorm warning.
Okay. It looks like a severe thunderstorm warning for, let me step back here so I can tell you, we've got a severe thunderstorm warning. I'm going to point it out right here for Davidson County, for Forsyth County, and then parts of Guilford and Randolph counties. Tom, how long is this warning in place?
Let me see. Not sure yet. They have not gotten to that part.
We will let you know, but just know there's a severe thunderstorm warning. We're going to focus on that, but I want to stay focused right now on the tornado warning right down here in Randolph County. As I come down and we have radar up, we're going to go ahead, take a look at the speed of this storm. And right now, this storm is a little more impressive than the one down in Stokes County. It's actually moving at 54 miles an hour. So that is a very, very high speed as this storm continues to move through. So we're going to go ahead and get you some times here. Take a look with me. Now, you can see as far as this storm is concerned, for the Newmarket area around 251, for Greensboro around 310, 318 for Burlington, and 323 for Green Level. What this indicates to me with this timing, because there is a tornado warning in Randolph County, is that Guilford County could potentially undergo a tornado warning. Burlington could see another tornado warning in Alamance County. It's highly possible, and the rotation is much stronger. So it's something we're watching carefully. Did want